Trader Sam here, looking at Arbitrum. Here's the daily chart, and what we can see are two things that's relatively expected. When we hit the bottom, that's our bottom, with our reference point there, golden ratio, we found the rejection. No surprise. Then we'll look at the other one. So let's look at that. Reference, bottom, 618. So we have this initial drawing. So if this is a reversal pattern, that's our A, that's our B, that's our C, D, bang. So our next level is going to be that. What is interesting is that we're going to have this ascending slope. So it's not this chart's not going to help us on the daily. We are on a daily resistance level at the moment. So if we look at a daily, that is our daily resistance. Smack bang, we've hit it, and it's the 618. So we should expect a bit of resistance. So let's go on the small time frame. And there we go. So we broke out of this triangle here. Nice move. And also we had this level as well. So whatever way we look at it, we can get rid of this one. This is probably the other one. This triangle here. We can get rid of that for a sec. So if this was our resistance, interesting enough, this level was really a nice level to. So we've got the head and shoulders type of stuff there, or macro swing setup, swing pattern, and then down we go, reversal. And so this was our accumulation. Selling climax, automatic response, secondary test, up thrust, back again. So up we go. Now if this is our selling climax, automatic response, we should theoretically get to there. We should get to here and potentially slightly higher, better performance. So if we were to do that and make that as a one, put our other charts in there, other fibs, we can look at these levels potentially. And you know what? It doesn't surprise me that it lines up with that as well. But if the market is alt season, it's just going to go. And then we can look at this level as a major target, and then we come back down again. So be aware that this is the setup of a macro move. Yeah, $1.80 from $1.30 at the moment. So it wouldn't surprise me that this happens. We hit the alt season slightly, and it's not complete alt season, but we might have alts doing a nice run while Bitcoin hits the resistance and consolidates under a major resistance of 32K or so, whatever it is. The alts might just start running away. And if you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, and I'll try to bring that out over here, we might just come back down. Whoops. We might just come back down and then do that. So we did have a breakout, or we just continue up. It'll be interesting to see. This is going to be very difficult to know. At the moment, it's pulling back. So that's why the alt's having a good run. But will it hold? That's the question. Will it hold? And if so, or we just go sideways for a while. Yeah, that's very difficult to say at the moment. But you can see how, depending on that, we might just have a good run, or we just come back here again and then move. So let's have a look at that. Yeah, if that's our A, B, C, D, we could have an E there. Retest and then back up. Like to see what happens here. But I feel like this is a resistance. If it does pull back, it's your last chance to accumulate, and then up it goes. That's my thoughts at the moment. If you missed that, that's a good move for the past few days. That's 11%, not much, but in the overall things, it's done the accumulation here. It's resisted, and so we had our secondary test, and I think this is the spring level. So I think the shakeout area would be here. This area is going to be the shakeout area. It will be volatile before it goes up or comes back down. All right, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Give you some ideas. Leave it at that, and talk to you soon. Cheers.